Hi, it's Reno with Jewelry in the Box. Today I'm just going to do a few things. If you want to tag along, watch this video on jewelry identification as far as metals. Pretty basic stuff. First I'm going to take a large magnet and show you that it is in fact a magnet, as it picks up this keychain. Pretty heavy keychain. Picks it up. We'll take it on a couple of the rings. There's that green, what appears to be tourmaline with the beautiful stones, nothing. There's the imperial topaz, nothing. No magnification. There's the raw emerald ring. Next to it is the orange and yellow citrine ring, and on the end is the white moonstone. Notice that nothing happens, but watch on a chain, it picks up. It looks like a silver chain, and for the most part it probably is, because this is a pretty strong magnet. But apparently there's content in that chain that causes the magnet to react with the chain. There's the large green stone set in a silver pendant. Notice that it doesn't even move. The chain doesn't move. There's the, what reminds me of Star Trek. No movement, no activity on that piece. There's the large citrine pendant. No movement. So that's a magnification test on the jewelry items. The next thing I want to do is, I've got a glass of water sitting over here. And right next to it, I've got an empty plastic glass and some hydrogen peroxide. I want to try the hydrogen peroxide test once again to see if we get some bubble activity on any platinum items or silver items. Silver items are usually very slow on responding, and platinum responds in a pretty quick basis. So we'll take some of this hydrogen peroxide, dump it into the plastic glass. You want to make sure that it is totally submerged. So now we have hydrogen peroxide. The first thing I'm going to take is the imperial topaz ring, and we're going to drop it into the hydrogen peroxide. You can see the bubbles already starting. That's the reaction of the hydrogen peroxide with the platinum. And as it goes along, it will obviously start to bubble up a lot more, but that started pretty quickly. We'll take that ring out of there. We'll We'll place it in the water. There. Let's try. I found this interesting. This ring is only stamped 925. We're going to drop this ring into the hydrogen peroxide. Look at the bubbles coming off of that. Like little steam. You got to watch it. That's interesting to me, and trying to figure out exactly what that metal is. Take that ring out. And drop it in the water. That's just a couple of little experiments to give you an idea. If you do some Google research, you'll find that apparently hydrogen peroxide reacts with platinum and causes it to bubble up pretty quickly, like both of those items did. Silver, it can also bubble, but it's usually a lot slower process. It could take a minute or a couple of minutes for it to even to react. Thanks again, and I'll talk at you later.